15 Ways to Make Money with Canva. Earn up to $10,000 per month. Canva seems to be used by everyone, but few are aware of its full earning potential. The fact is that Canva provides a ton of ways to make money through its products, services, and content. My favorite Canva revenue streams involve creating something once and receiving passive income into your bank account repeatedly. Although they require some work and knowledge to set up, once users begin using, downloading, and purchasing your products, you can start to reap the benefits. The best ways to monetize Canva are listed below. 1. Print on demand. A well-known side business that can earn you thousands of dollars each month is print on demand. The process involves making designs for t-shirts, mugs, wall art, tote bags, and a huge variety of other items. That may seem difficult, but Canva has a huge library of templates and graphics that you can easily customize or redesign to make them your own. Next, publish those designs on websites like Redbubble, Amazon, through Merch by Amazon, Etsy, through a print-on-demand service provider like Printify. Each product will have a price that you choose, and you will receive a royalty for each sale. The cool thing is that the platform manages all of the production, packaging, shipping, and fulfillment. You never have to touch any inventory. You can sell your print-on-demand goods directly if you already have a website or an online store. My recommendation? Start with a specific market, such as presents for Shih Tzu owners, and grow from there. 2. Design and sell printables and digital products. Presently, printable goods are very popular. People appreciate that they can quickly download and print them at home. You ask, and what precisely are they printing? Think. Calendars, art, illustrations, journals, planners, budget templates, meal planners, intake forms, checklists, and more. Anything you can think of that could be useful to people. The best place to sell these would be on Etsy, where there are millions of buyers ready to spend money. Once you create and upload your items, the entire process is also almost entirely automated. 3. Low-content books. Additionally, there is an entire category of simple-to-make books. These books, also known as low-content books, include log books, puzzle books, sketchbooks, music composition notebooks, coloring books, for kids and for adults, planners, journals, anything else with pages to be filled in by the buyer, not by you. Unbelievably, you can directly sell these books with little content on Amazon. 2. Make $1 to $4 per copy on autopilot. All you need to do is design and upload your products. 4. Make ads. Ever wished you could be Don Draper from Mad Men? Your chance is now. Every month, tens of thousands of people launch their own businesses, and they constantly need the assistance of digital marketers to help them advertise on Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube. You can start a digital marketing agency or do freelance work and find clients on Fiverr or Upwork. For comparison, I discovered independent banner designers on Upwork making $25 to $35 per hour. Making beautiful designs that will appeal to your clients and make you look like some sort of marketing god or guru is incredibly simple with Canva. 5. Sell Canva templates. Print on demand and printables are well-liked business concepts for Canva, as I already mentioned. However, a lot of people don't have the time, motivation, or even the technical and creative skills to make their own designs. You enter the picture at this point. You can quickly create a collection of amusing, lovely, interesting, or quirky designs using one of Canva's many pre-made templates and sell it to aspiring pod business owners. For instance, dozens of vendors package their Canva templates for sale on Creative Market. These typically cost between $12 and $40. Find work on Fiverr or Upwork, or combine these hundreds or thousands of designs into one large folder and create Facebook ads to reach a sizable audience automatically, making this a truly passive source of income. 6. Become Canva contributor. The key features of Canva are its templates and designs. They assist beginning designers, like me, in producing beautiful graphics. There is a constant need for brand new, original templates, designs, photos, videos, and other content because Canva is used by so many people every day. Simply register to contribute to Canva and begin uploading your designs. As of publication, the program is momentarily shut down. You will be paid for each time someone uses a template, design, picture, video, or other file you uploaded. 7. Create marketing videos. Most people are unaware that Canva has a user-friendly and intuitive video editor. This implies that you don't need to spend money on expensive video editing software or hiring an editor to produce stunning videos. For nearby small businesses without the marketing budget of an agency, this editor can be used to quickly put together marketing videos and advertisements. Making a video portfolio to show potential clients is the simplest thing to do. After that, you can send them an email or even go see them in person to present your ideas. These marketing videos are used by companies like Airbnb, hair salons, cafes, and bars for social media, advertisements, or just to highlight their goods and services on their websites. 8. Create social media content. Every company must produce and publish content for social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn. Not all content can be reused for different social media platforms. You step forward at that point. Canva's built-in content and library templates make it simple to create engaging posts. Selling the design service to customers, like Design Pickle does, starting at $500 per month, is how the money is made. 9. Join the Canva affiliate program. Joining Canva's affiliate program is a simple way to start earning money if you already have a following audience. Using your special link to recommend a good or service to others, you can earn money through affiliate marketing. 3 tiers make up Canva: Free, Pro, Teams. Canva will in this case pay you up to $36 for each new user you refer who signs up for Canva Pro. All features of the platform are available to these users without restriction. You'll receive your special tracking link and access to shareable custom banners after registering for the program. 10. Become a Canva YouTuber. Wi-Fi and a smartphone are all you need to start uploading high-caliber videos to YouTube. In fact, this is your first video idea. Show viewers how to use Canva to edit YouTube videos. You can use the software to make videos about other subjects or simply share Canva tutorials, demos, and reviews. In the end, your channel will profit from YouTube ads, affiliate commissions, sales of your own products or services, brand partnerships. To qualify for YouTube ads, you must amass 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing, but you can start promoting your affiliate links right away. After all, millions of people are currently making money on YouTube. You can achieve it if they can. 11. Launch a Canva course. If you are already familiar with Canva, you can create and publish a course on Teachable, Skillshare, or Udemy. Generally speaking, if you already have a following, you'll make more money hosting on sites like Teachable and selling directly to them. Udemy and Skillshare are the best places to host your course if you don't already have a large online student base. Every time a user purchases one of your courses on Udemy, you get paid. Leading instructors make thousands of dollars each month. You will receive monthly royalties from Skillshare based on the number of students who watch your classes. You can tell it's a hot topic because several Canva classes on Skillshare have thousands of students already. It probably makes sense to focus on a particular sub-niche first because Canva is so powerful, such as creating and selling Canva templates, using Canva to create printables, making TikTok videos in Canva, editing videos for Pinterest or Instagram Reels with Canva. You only need to be a few steps ahead of your students. You don't need to be the top expert in the world. To make people feel satisfied and empowered to use their new skills, demonstrate your best practices, tricks, and advice. 12. Start a Canva consulting or coaching business. Canva is already very well liked by Fortune 500 companies as well as independent creators. Nevertheless, millions of people want to use it but lack the knowledge to do so. Some people find even a simple tool like Canva intimidating, and they would like someone to teach them or train their team. Depending on the size of the department and company, a team training could bring in $2,000 to $5,000 or more. YouTube is the best place to promote your Canva consulting company. Paul Miners is the source of one formula I like. He would introduce himself as an asana consultant before discussing a specific tutorial, such as how to perform XYZ in asana. These were very effective because he was providing specific answers and demonstrating his knowledge. Unsurprisingly, some of his viewers inquired about his consulting services. Your Canva videos could adhere to the same general format. 13. Design websites. Creating websites used to be a difficult process, and becoming a web designer required some serious skills. These days, all you need to design a stunning, quick, and mobile responsive website is some basic knowledge in Canva. Canva is an amazing tool that allows you to do all of that directly. Designing a straightforward website with their pre-made templates is a very quick process. You could begin by building your portfolio in a specific niche, such as real estate agents. Additionally, Canva's web design service is still in its infancy as of late 2022. That implies that there might be a chance for you to produce and market your own Canva website templates. 14. Design logos. Every company needs a distinctive and recognizable logo. For logos, businesses will spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Fortunately, creating a logo is simple today, making it very simple to launch such a business. Use Fiverr to promote your logo design business and start making money right away. 15. The Canva Creator Program. Canva's Creator Program is their method of crowdsourcing design elements for the website, though it is currently on hold, as of late 2022. You can sign up to be put on the waitlist. How it works is you create and upload graphics and illustrations, photos, videos, educational resources, templates. Then, You are compensated according to how well liked your content is. Canva distributes a portion of its pro subscription revenue to its creators each month. How to make money using Canva. Conclusion. I commend you for looking for ways to use your Canva skills to earn extra money in these tumultuous times. This article should have sparked some ideas in your head about active and passive income generation. Join Canva using my affiliate link, if you want to support me, and I'll do my best to provide you with the best ways to earn money with it. Thanks. Which choice do you find most exciting? I'd